delicious of food here.
I have an idea.
Yeah,
SMC side. You go to the SRP, then go to the there.
Ok, Crisine, la mora primera vez, ¿está honesto pasar por aquí otra vez? Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, may I ask a question?
Ano sabi niya?
By the way, I'm Espanol and I'm looking for a restaurante. Could you please tell me where?
Oh.
Yeah.
There. When you go out,
Yeah,
you turn right.
yeah. Excuse me, pwede sa zero na pregunta? Pwede sa zero. Actually, I'm Espanol. I'm Mexican Spanish.
Yes.
Yeah. By the way, me llamo Fernando. What is your name?
Rica.
Rica? Okay, can you please tell me where? I try to find some delicious food here.
I have an idea.
Yeah,
SMC side. You go to the SRP, then go to the there.
Okay, Crisine, la mora primera vez, ¿está honesto pasar por aquí otra vez? Actually, I want Bisaya food. Bisaya food, yeah.
Bisaya food?
Yeah, Bisaya.
There's a lechon park over there.
Lechon, what is this
you
place?
can Talisay.
Sige, diretso?
Diretso.
Here?
Yes. You can ask people out there.
Okay, you're so very beautiful. What is your name? Yeah, you're so beautiful. Are you
Rika.
single or double?
Double. Like this,
Like
double?
this, okay. Thank you so much. You're so very kind. Can I have something for you, tip?
No.
No.
Something
Are you a
special.
student or working?
Both. Working student.
Working student. You're so very hardworking. So I want to give you a tip, okay?
Really?
Yeah.
Sure?
That is for you because you're so very kind and helpful, okay?
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah,
God
thank you.
bless.
Thank you.
Careful.
Nagunsa mo diri?
Bullshit.
Dai, ga-vlog rin ako dai. Vlog. Tagasa man ka.
Ay, ako, taga-dira na, nag-boarding house ko.
Sige, estudyante mo.
Na-practice
Sige.
tayo.
Sige, amping mo diri, tarong mo eskwela ha.
Thank you.